Nicely.
The first time, the trip to the wedding and back took longer than the wedding itself. But mazel tov anyhow.
It was a beautiful wedding. A long trip, but it was a beautiful wedding. Mazel
Great.
tov.
Okay, gentlemen.
I'm reserving it till I get home.
Okay.
No. Mazel tov.
Okay.
I'm saying, no. I'm saying, wait, hold it. When you narrate, can you show the snow and
Show
take
that?
a picture of the driver?
We'll mix it all together. I'll mix it all up. Don't
Oh,
worry.
you will? Oh,
Yes.
wow.
Good. Say a few words.
Yes.
We're on the bus. Describe what we're doing. Describe what we're doing. Go ahead.
This is being that it's a very festive holiday, so we're incorporating with the wedding and hoping that the young couple starts off their life with a bang, and we're here to celebrate
Great.
with them.
Right now we're waiting for
Let's
another
go back over here.
Wedding should be
Go ahead. Say a couple of words. Anything?
Your life should be a bliss and a fun.
Very nice. A good friend from Stade of Standard. A few words. Are you enjoying the trip? Is this the most exciting wedding? This is the mitzvah bus, not the mitzvah dance.
Mitzvah bus, let's go. Wonderful.
Having a great time.
Great. Good. Exciting. Would you like another wedding epilogue like this?
Beautiful. The more DVD or something would be very nice. We could finish one, two. I think we'd be around a third DVD by now. But it's all right. Very good.
Thank you. Anything to say, sir? Thank you. Hi. Couple words. Great.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Right?
Lady on the phone.
I know.
Gentlemen over here. Any comments?
Should have stayed for the mitzvah dance.
Go ahead. We're listening. Anything you want is good.
A wonderful time, especially the bus trip.
Great. Okay. Beautiful. Okay.
6 hours on the bus, but we still had a very nice time.
Thank you.
We're waiting for the sequel.
What do you wish? What do you wish Chassan and Kala? Let's say something to them.
Hope they get home safely.
Doctor.
Mazel tov to Mati and Sarah. It was a beautiful simcha.
It was a beautiful simcha and a memorable ending.
Great. Thank you.
Very memorable. Michael, we had more fun on the bus than at the wedding, but we still wish you mazel tov to you and the fuss and collar.
Great. Thank you. Gentlemen, people.
Mazel tov, Michael. I just want you to know I take this year Rabbi Dubin David on the bus while we were waiting to get out of the wagon. I'll give you a copy.
Everyone sings
My good friend. Are you enjoying your trip? Good, very nice.
Very nice.
This was not in the plan.
Everything is on time, no delay, no nothing, everything perfect.
Great.
Zayin mazel tov, shah tov u'mutzlachas.
Go ahead.
All two.
Hi. How's your evening so far?
Having a great time. We will never forget your anniversary. I guarantee you. Mati and Sarah, I promise you.
I got a good shot of you dancing with the mother of the Katla.
Mazel tov. The wedding was so beautiful. We just didn't want it to end.
And it hasn't. Here we are.
Great, thank you. Hey little boy, how are you? Are you having a fun time? Is this an exciting day? No school tomorrow, right? Okay, thank you. Chassan and Kala walk down a different aisle tonight, but here we go. As we walk down this aisle, Chassan and Kala walk down a different aisle.
Are we walking down the aisle?
Welcome aboard. We have
Take a picture of you.
welcome aboard.
Take a picture of you.
We have a choice of chicken and meat.
Jack, I need to get somewhere.
Let's sing Hail to the Chief.
I know.
People coming on the bus because. What happened to your bus, sir? What happened to your bus? Tell us what happened. It's a video. What happened?
It was a flat tire.
That's part of the excitement of the evening.
It's never going on. He looked at the calendar and he says, I'm going to make it December 26th. That's probably the first day it's going to snow like this. June weddings. That's all.
Okay. What happened to your bus?
Hole in the tire.
Okay. Welcome aboard.
Let's go. Peter White put the hole in the tire.
Describe how the wedding experience was so far. Come on, seriously. You enjoyed it?
We're having the best time.
Is this
No
the-
one will ever forget Mati Stein's wedding. Ever.
Wait, she wants to make a lipstick. One second.
Yeah.
How about the husband saying a couple of words? Go ahead.
we're having such a good time. We try to fix a flat tire on our bus, but Baruch Hashem, we're on this bus.
Good.
And you were nice to let us on to join you. Much appreciated.
What do you wish Chassan and Kala?
A hearty mazel tov. I'm sure they're enjoying themselves at the wedding hall, which they're not leaving, luckily.
Okay, enjoy. Thank you. How is this trip?
Oh, very.
Have you ever been to a wedding like this before?
Never.
Do you look forward to another wedding like this?
No question about it.
Okay. And a few words to Chassan and Kala and parents.
Mazel tov.
Thank you.
Let me sit down.
Great. Trip so far. Is this a very exciting wedding?
Actually, really
Come on, tell us.
Never had a wedding. It was very comical.
What do you want to tell Chassan and Kala?
Mazel tov.
Come on, something else about the trip.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Oh, okay, thank you. Lights went around. Here we are on the home, the trip back home to the Lincoln Tunnel from the Sheraton Meadowlands. Okay, here you go.
I was waiting for a tow truck. That's not fun either. That's not fun.
So far, how exciting is this trip, my friend?
Oh, the trip is exciting. Very exciting. It's the most exciting winter trip I've had.
The winter just started, Eric.
I know.
What about the company, Eric?
Oh, I'm good. The company's a great company. As soon as they fix my
No, they want to know about the people on the bus.
What?
This company. What do you think of the people on the bus?
Oh, the company's great. You kidding me? I've got none but accolades for the company. I've got a great group of people.
What's that highway?
We're on the highway. That's right. Wow. This is the highway.
Western Highway without a wiper.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
All right.
I can see.
That will put you out in front. Like, how much is that fun?
Nope.